There's a group of grass-like weeds called sedges that cause lots of headaches for home gardeners. I'm here with Dr. Colton Blankenship, horticulture weed scientist for the LSU AgCenter, to learn a little bit more about sedges. So exactly what is a sedge?
Yeah, so sedges are members of the Cyperaceae family. So they look very much like grasses, but they're not actually grasses. And this has some really important implications for management. So how do we know what a sedge actually is? Basically, the fastest way to tell is kind of run your fingers over the stem, and it should feel triangular.
All right, and so sedges are such a problem in our landscapes because of the way they grow and where they can, invade our landscape bed. So can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Sure. So sedges can be a problem in turf grass. They can be a problem in landscape ornamentals because they can tolerate very close mowing. Frequently, they can spread underground and vegetatively through tubers and things like that. They can be very hard to control with herbicides that are designed to kill grasses, because you might look at this and think it's a grass, but a grass-killing herbicide may not necessarily kill a sedge, right? So there's lots of different reasons why they can be especially tough to manage. The other thing here in Louisiana, they love wet areas. So sedges tend to do really well where water is a problem.
Well, especially after heavy rain events when things are, water is standing. So you've mentioned herbicides. So is that probably the best way to control these?
It depends. So herbicides can be effective on sedges, but you're really going to want to make sure you read those labels, which you always want to do when you're applying herbicides anyway, but especially look for control of sedges on the label. So when you find that weeds control table, make sure that sedges are listed, because a lot of these herbicides may not be effective on sedges, and so we don't want to waste our time and effort. Now, if you're going to pull sedges by hand, especially in like a landscape bed, you may want to go ahead and try to grab it at the very base of the plant, and then you're going to want to pull it from the base and try to remove all of those roots so that it can't come back the next year.
Very smart. Okay, that's a great suggestion. So patience here in controlling these.
It's going to be a long war, not an individual battle. So.
That's a great way to put it. All right, well, thank you so much for all the great information for such a problematic weed. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg, along with Dr. Colton Blankenship for the LSU AgCenter.